Hi, this is Ben Sostrom here at Catco with a fan cam, getting audience reaction to today's world premiere performance of The Final Table.
It's another Catco triumph.
This is one of the best things I've seen in ages.
It made you think, and it was clever.
I think it was a lot of fun, very thought-provoking.
I thought it did a good job of tapping into their personalities.
Oh, this was an excellent one. This was as good as You're My Boy.
I love the way it pulled together poker, which shows how people act, and then all this history.
If you were to vote for one of them, which one would you vote for?
The Muse.
Truman.
Yeah, I kind of like Truman.
Nixon.
None of them. Eisenhower, but I think I voted for Humphrey.
If you were to describe the show with one word, what would it be?
Triumphant and probably groundbreaking.
Thought-provoking, is that one word?
Yes.
It was mind-blowing.
Intriguing or provocative, I guess.
Fabulous.
Well, there you have it. The Final Table running April 8th through the 26th here at Studio 2 in the Riffe Center. For more information, visit www.catco.org.